Hi, this is Balaji. I'm data scientist at Tawant and I'm excited to submit my project for consideration and eagerly waiting for the conference. This project mainly focuses on optimizing productivity across large teams by using the generative AI. This is the kind of like a SDLC optimization project. This is the agenda that I want to talk about. What is the core problem that I'm dealing with and what are the tools that we have created and how they are interconnected to each other and how the responses look like. So the core problem that we face is that there is a like information chaos happens whenever we are dealing with in at any stage of the software development life cycle. At the starting, we will be having like a searching phase where we will be like what kind of data that we are have to deal with that we don't have any idea, and that can be like moving from any MP4 to any CSV files and large SQL queries or anything that can be part of this searching phase. And then we'll going for like context switching phase. It comes in between, like when we want to move from one project to the another, or like one type of document to the another. It becomes like a chaos in between, and the overhead that comes from this documentation is unbearable, and it loses, like it gives us hope, like we lose our hope on the finishing the project in between, and it takes like a much of effort to get focus back again. So our solution is to proactive intelligent system that automates entire SDLC process during all the life cycle. So our framework that we have built for, like we have used tools like CrewAI, LangChain, OpenAI, and any, like we have used much of the tools, Jira integration tools and Nimble integration tools, and much of the tools to generate the responses. And it at the end it can generate the responses in a specific like images and creation of like a creation of a documents in a specific formats by using all the existing knowledge that we have stored for. So, and it can connect betterly when we are dealing in like at the starting of a project, and it can generate the responses that we need in a image format, or like as I have mentioned before. Yeah. So these are the agents that we have built for. One is the architect agent, another one is the communicator agent, and another one is the artisan agent. Each have individual roles that maximizes the productivity during the all the SDLC phases. Thank you. Now I want to show my what it looks like the project. So let me see how the whether the project is running up. 1 minute. Yeah, the project is running up, and which takes, okay, there is a many APIs that are associated. One is the index, another one is the deletion of from the index, and observation of the documents, and session manager, and response chart, and response chart in a specific way, like the streaming part, anything that we can be deal with. That I will show you inside the project itself. This is the project that it looks like. So whenever we want to have like something like a response, that what we can do is that we can give something like responses, how to record, like that's I have started checked before how to report. It has generated this content. If I want to ask it like a can you give me architecture diagram, it is beautiful developed this architecture diagram, and I'm asked for creation of a Jira login. It has created extensive steps for that. And if I want to create something like a directly integrate into Jira, we have also included that part like a publishing ticket, where we can just with a simple click, it will take all the data that we have published till now, and it will create the test cases for this one, for this only exacted response. So we are having three user stories that they are created with. By just clicking the publish tickets, we can publish it to our Jira accounts. That can take extra amount of time that I don't want. Like, but thank you for this, like for going through my proposal, and hope I want to meet you all at the conference. Thank you so much.